Blue Beast Tales by the PARAnnoyed P.I. So spark the neurons. As the brain computes each hieroglyph and makes sense of it all, we are a dual processing system. The inner cogs do their best to quantify and adjust to each new thought and idea, rewiring as we go. So spark the neurons as the brain ticks over trying to comprehend all thoughts and correlations. Nerve cells or neurons are capable of communicating to your flesh vehicle via weak electrical pulses. These pulses send signals of complex minutiae to your spinal column and rest of your meaty temple. There's no understanding of how these impulses are unpacked, it's all a matter of mind over it. We can't yet hook up the brain to an electron reader and get a clear picture of the mind's eye. But that hasn't stopped us trying. We wish to peer into the void between lightning and gray matter. The undefinable rhythm that sets our bodies in motion and the majesty at which they travel. Imagine a rail network with the ability to sense their customers' thoughts and feelings. That's kind of how your body works, computing its every desire against the whims of your mate. Then imagine a whole universe of atoms dancing in unison to the belly's energy and mind mapping. Then further think that you are made up of the Big Bang. Your motion is the continued result of it all. We began in caves, but we really began in the mind, through a complex series of brain enrichment. Posit that we all once shared the same mind before it was hijacked by immediate gratification. With a complex history of thoughts and emotions, we guide our reptilian brain across time. It's through this process we build up an interconnected sequence of association and like thoughts. It's these patterns that relay our recognition of similar phenomena in this intergalactic spacewalk. We are all vessels of thought, connected by tissue and moved via the immaterial. The very thought of thought has had us enraptured by its very quandary of being, to be or not to be. The simple setup of energy in, information out, created the most vast and complex superstructures. We now, in this time, live in an interconnected hive-like mind sphere, with electricity to thank for it. Our very electronics are shaped like the mind, with floodgates of electrodes triggering development. With little know-how, we navigate tons of machinery, and move as fast as light across our globe. Soon there will come a time when technology will be as indecipherable as the human mind. In both understanding and complexity, as well as output and enhanced design over time. It's this burgeoning of man versus machine that has spawned AI that is quickly advancing on us. Your phone carries more fire inside it than all of Earth's creations, yet its memes we simply call fire. And so, our mind keeps darting around for its own private meaning, so spark the neurons.